To perform your T-bar row, stand over top of your barbell and hinge at the hips and get a hold on the handle. Stand up strong like a deadlift, squeeze your glutes behind you, activate your lats, and get your feet in the right position so that you can hinge forward with your body almost parallel to the ground. Then drive your elbows up, squeezing your shoulder blades behind you and lowering the bar with control. Remember, this is a back exercise. If we can squeeze our pinkies, we will get a lot better lat activation and our biceps will start burning too. Repeat with great form through all repetitions. The T-bar row is a cool exercise that you can use with several different setups. Today we're going to be using a barbell and a landmine setup, but you might find that there's other equipment in your gym that you can use for the T-bar row. We're going to get into the back, we're getting into the biceps. Let's get after it. The T-bar row starts in the standing position, so you can make sure your lats, your glutes, and your hamstrings are ready to support you. And then Katie's gonna hinge forward, let her hips come back, keeping a nice straight back, and she's gonna row, driving her elbows up to the ceiling and squeezing her shoulder blades behind her. She's gonna get a really strong contraction right here, and her biceps are gonna work extra hard because she's able to move way more weight in this exercise than in a curl. Katie's doing an excellent job keeping her back nice and straight, not letting her chest fall forward, and not hunching forward either. Remember to breathe in on the way up and out on the way down so that you keep great control of your breath. Excellent job, Katie.